To split bills in the Venmo app, start by opening the app and navigating to the payment screen. Tap the Pay or Request button to begin a new transaction. Enter the amount you want to split and select the friends you want to split the bill with. You can add multiple friends to the transaction by tapping the Add Friends button. Once you have selected all the friends you want to split the bill with, you can choose how you want to split the amount. Venmo offers several options, including splitting the bill evenly, splitting by percentage, or entering a custom amount for each person. To split the bill evenly, tap the Split Evenly button and Venmo will automatically calculate the amount each person owes. If you want to split the bill by percentage, tap the Split by Percentage button and enter the percentage each person owes. You can also enter a custom amount for each person by tapping the Custom button and entering the amount each person owes. Once you have chosen how you want to split the bill, review the transaction to make sure everything is correct. Make sure to include a note or description of the transaction, such as the bill you are splitting, so that your friends know what the payment is for. You can also add a personal message to the transaction if you want to include any additional information. When you are ready, tap the Pay button to send the request to your friends. Your friends will receive a notification with the request and can choose to pay their share of the bill directly through the Venmo app. You can track the status of the transaction and see who has paid their share and who still owes money. To avoid any confusion or disputes, make sure to communicate clearly with your friends about the bill and the payment. It is also a good idea to set a deadline for when the payment is due, so that everyone knows when they need to pay their share. By following these steps, you can easily split bills in the Venmo app and make it easy for you and your friends to pay your share of the bill.